In a low volume environment, it's a little bit different, or can be. The customer's coming to us for our design technology typically, because these might be unique cables, industrial cables, mining cables, control cables, something that's a bit different, could be a one-off. Often for them, lead times are important, and accuracy of delivery dates is important, because they're often building a project. So our cable has to arrive in line with their project lead times and project schedules. Price is often lesser consideration, still important, but lesser than maybe those two things. These types of designs are typified by shorter, often custom lengths, one-off designs, and limited repetition of cable design. So you haven't got the same ability to necessarily improve continuously as in the high volume manufacture, but you've got to absolutely be on the ball making this right first time, and that's the next bullet. Right first time is important. If we don't and we have to remake it, we've obviously not going to make the money we hope to on that contract, but we could also have affected the lead time and the delivery date, which could ultimately become a big problem commercially for the business. So making sure that we're error proofing our manufacture and making sure we get it right first time, absolutely crucial in low volume manufacture. Material waste can be less of a priority, but oversized tables could be unacceptable. If it's too great a diameter, it might not fit through a gland into a cabinet, or it might not have a bend radius it's required to go into a machine, for example. So all these users' requirements have to be met by the design and met by manufacture. And therefore, progression of manufacturing versus the design is absolutely critical through the process.